Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a landscape poster in Canva. So here I'm going to show you the quick way on creating a landscape poster. So the first thing that you need to do is just search for the poster templates in Canva. So open your canva.com and then here on the search column, just type in landscape poster. Okay, and here there are options that you can click. So for example, I want to just click on the first one. Okay, after that, Canva will provide you with lots of templates that you can use. So just scroll down until you find the one that you think fits your needs the best. So for example, I want to create this one. I'm going to create a promotion poster. Just click on the template and click on customize this template. Okay, so here you just need to make some changes with the templates. For example, you can change this into your own brand. For example, like this. And then here you can also change the color. For example, you want to change it into your brand color. Just click on the elements or the text and then choose the color that you want, like this. And you can also add some elements here if you want. To add it to your poster. Okay, I'm going to change the text color into the green. And if you want to change the all color or this blue color, just click on change all and it will change accordingly like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.